All right, we're recording. Um, I just wanted to give a quick update on TDWorld. Video's a bit fancier now. I got like audio and myself and a hat. Um, so as I was showing before, this is the game world. There's stuff going on, and what I want to just go over is just my progress in the past, 24 hours or so. That's neat. Why is that down? So what we've got done is this. So I can mark this. Um, And what is that? Basically, now we can create and link towers. So obviously there's no UI or anything yet, but this is a pretty big milestone. So I can go here, I can create this thing, and I can go, let's say over here and create this, and then I can link them. So I'm gonna start linking and finalize it. And you can see that the backend has created this link, and now the creeps will travel. Um, and then your game income will start building up as your creeps make it from one place to the other. So the question is, where is the competition, right? So there are different factions in the game. So I'm gonna use my keyboard binds because there's no UI. So let's say I'm an enemy and I build a tower over here, right? So now this is obviously like thwarting my plans of world domination, right? And I don't have ways to deal with that yet, but I'm planning on building different types of creeps. So these creeps are just attack creeps, and later on we'll build, or economy creeps, and later on we'll build attack creeps. So the game is built to be really scalable. That's why we've been working on it for like almost 2 years, because building out the back end to build an MMO like this is really, really hard. So what we want to do is kind of demonstrate probably that this game world is persistent, so I can close the game and reopen it. And it's not like you just like open up an adventure game or something and start playing. Like, those towers we created, I don't actually remember where they were, but they'll still be there wherever they are. Was it this one? I don't know. I think it was this one we just created. Yeah, it was this one. So this is, I think, Redwood City, California. So the point of the game is that you're not just playing in one location, right? It's the actual like world. So if I close this guy, and I just have hard-coded stuff right now, but let's say I want to play in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, right? So normally you'd be on your phone, and it'd be tied to wherever you are, unless you're a hacker, then screw you. So we see our game world, and there's some things that are messed up right now. I don't really do roads very well. I don't do tops of some building types very well. And water is kind of messed up, but we'll figure that out. So here you can see there's Pittsburgh. One thing to note is that the game is not simulating the traffic for the entire world all the time. Whenever you visit a new sector, then it seeds in the NPCs like it has here, and then it will continue doing that simulation. So now even if I leave Pittsburgh, the game will be still running the simulation of all the creeps moving and things shooting each other and stuff. So it's kind of an optimization where we add NPCs as you go and explore the world. But the data is all it all connects together. So I'm in Pittsburgh right now. If I kept going this way, forever, I'd probably end up back in Redwood City, right? Because it's just like Google Maps or something. So I'm in Pittsburgh right now, and I can see that it's like, oh, there's some enemy over here. I can just go here and create a tower and then start shooting these guys. The damage and things all still needs to be worked out because stuff is a little bit overpowered. Obviously, I could create 2 towers here and just freaking, completely stop his economy. So there are little things to work out. One thing that I'm really happy about getting done today is joining buildings. I can go all the way over here. I can create a tower. And there are still some bugs. I don't know why, but in some areas I can't create towers. I have this whole segment optimization thing, and it might be related to that. Okay, so we can create a tower there. And let's say over here I want to make one. So what we'll do is then link those and finalize the linking, and you'll see that the game has found the optimal path, the game backend. So we're creating paths for the creeps, basically like how Google Maps or something would, where we have to find the optimal route through the world. To do this is really expensive. Like the server that runs this, if we were to go globally, would take hundreds of gigabytes of RAM. Right now it's running in the server with 40 gigs of RAM. That's just to do the routing. So, and it's not even accounting for the server that actually runs the simulation, everything here. Now keep in mind, I'm in Pittsburgh, but you know, the other city I was in, the simulation is still running there too. And you could have millions of people in the same world, and it should all work smoothly. I say server, but obviously if the game takes off, there'll be more than one. So we have some battles going on here. So I can add to this. I can see first faction, spawn a tower, and let's say go over here, spawn a tower. And I think that there is some weird bug going on. Anyway, we'll link these two. And I just linked them. Another thing I need to work on is building selection. So sometimes when you go to select something, it kind of picks something nearby. It's kind of a complicated algorithm, and I wanted to make it fast, but I need to tune it for accuracy now. So now you can see I've added the towers here, and it's all happy. So yeah, I think that's kind of it. I don't know what else to go into. I think next I'm gonna try to figure out roads and water. I'm actually doing this video before I planned to, but I was just so happy about getting the connecting between towers working. I wanted to show it off. And it's not just, actually let's do one thing. So it's not just limited to like nearby. So let's say I'm in one side of the city and I create a tower. Let's find a place where I'm actually able to. Actually, I can link towers to multiple places, but I didn't test that yet, so I'm not gonna do it in the video. So let's find a place where, okay, so we'll link from here. Can I do over here? One of these maybe? Yeah, I don't know why. Sometimes I just can't create a tower. I need to figure out what's going on. So let's see. So we're linking from over here to over here somewhere, right? So we're going to start linking, and I'm going to click this thing, and then this thing, and then we're going to join them, and you'll see the route is finding all the way over there, and it found its way over here. So now this guy is spawning, and normally you would be down here, you know, with your phone, and it would show you some kind of view like this. I think that I really like this view. So I'm thinking you could like pinch zoom out and then click to link things. But I don't know if it's gonna be overpowered yet or not. So let me know what you think. Anyway, yeah, that's the game. I really want to get out this year, so let's get it done. I want to get roads and water worked out. The other challenge is it's going to greatly increase the number of triangles in the world. So hopefully we can keep doing this. I have a lot of optimizations in the renderer. If I was just rendering individual buildings, this wouldn't work. It would like go like 1 FPS. There's a lot of things going on to make this smooth. So hopefully that will continue to work as we add more polygons into the world. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.